You know how every so often you'll be talking with somebody and a catchphrase will drop right into your lap? Something that makes sense and is useful and is memorable. Well, that happened to me as I was talking with one of my coaches, and I want to share it with you in this episode of the VO Heroes podcast. I have a feeling that what I'm about to share with you is going to be useful and familiar and memorable to you. I was having a chat with one of my coaches, the amazing Miss Karen Eileen Gordon, and she was talking to me about her state of mind and her process and what was working for her, what was challenging for her. And she mentioned that she really gets benefit from researching things, from looking at things, from discovering things. And I said, just out of the blue, there's nutrition in discovery. And she's like, yes, there is. And we actually ended up turning the conversation toward talking about the idea how nourishing and rewarding and sumptuous it can be to discover new things, to try new things, to find out that they work, find out that they absolutely don't work, right? Do more of what works and less of what doesn't. But knowing that when you're in need of support and you're in need of knowledge and you're in need of good feelings, good vibes, a good world to work in for that period, that you go look in your inbox to those emails that you've saved for reading later, or you go to a website that you've meant to look at, or you go look at a piece of software, or maybe you watch one of these podcast episodes and you get some nourishment. I would love to hear from you what it is that you feel as you're learning something, as you're discovering something. Is there nutrition in discovery for you? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, by the comments below, I mean on voheroes.com. Please be sure to share this podcast with another actor. If you find it really useful, you can always subscribe to the channel and you can hit the notifications bell to let you know when we're going to do new ones. We'd love to have you as part of the fam. So I appreciate it very much, and I hope there's nutrition and discovery for you as well, and I hope that's something that you're able to use. I'm David H. Lawrence, the 17th. I thank you so much for watching and for listening, and I will see you in the next episode of the VO Heroes podcast.